Americans are sicker than any other industrialized country. Since the mid-90s, Americans suffering from at least 3 chronic illnesses have nearly doubled. We have hundreds and millions of acres of genetically modified crops in the United States that we are consuming. This brings attention to people that genetically modified foods are harmful to our health, and in fact, each and every day, almost every American is consuming these foods in every meal they have. To my audience, you can learn a lot from me on this topic, more so than anyone else, because my mom has been very passionate about trying to implement as many organic foods into mine and my family's diet. Hi, my name is Jade, and today I would like to talk to you about why GMOs are bad. The key points I'm going to talk about is why we need change, in more detail the side effects of GMOs, why we should avoid GMOs as a solution, and how we could take action by driving the markets. The first point I am going to talk about is what exactly are the side effects of GMOs and why we need change. In Will GMOs Hurt My Body from a Harvard study stated, concerns generally focus on how the GMO may affect the environment or how it may affect the consumer. One specific concern is the possibility for GMOs to negatively affect human health. This could result from differences in nutritional content, allergic response, or undesired side effects such as toxicity, organ damage, or gene transfer. The article Center for Food Safety stated, genetically engineered foods are different from other foods. Genetic engineering allows for the first time foreign genes, bacterial and viral vectors, promoters, and antibiotic marker systems to be engineered into food. 6 potential human health concerns can be toxicity, allergic reactions, antibiotic resistance, immunosuppression, cancer, and loss of nutrition. The next point I am going to talk about is why we should avoid GMOs. In the article, 12 Reasons to Avoid GMOs had stated, here are my reasons for avoiding GMO foods, compiled mostly from the sources named above: health harms, environmental harms, and the harms to social and human rights. The article from Big Green Purse stated, the U.S. Department of Agriculture estimated that 94% of all soy, 93% of the corn, and 96% of the cotton grown in the U.S. is genetically engineered. That means you could be eating GMOs in your bread, cereal, packaged cookies and cakes, and any other food that contains soybean oil, corn oil, and high fructose corn syrup, to name a few. Many biologists, scientists, public health officers, and consumer advocates believe we should avoid GMOs for those reasons. The last point I'm going to talk about is why we should take action and how us consumers can drive the market. In the article, Ways to Avoid Genetically Modified Foods said, much of the food in the supermarket today is made with genetically modified ingredients or GMOs. As a consumer, you can avoid GM food in several ways. 1. Buy food labeled 100% organic. 2. Look for the non-GMO projected verified labels on product packaging. 3. Eat locally grown food. In the article, Millions Against Monsanto stated, Monsanto provides roughly 90% of GMO seeds in the world. These seeds have been genetically modified to produce their own pesticides or survive repeated spraying of their toxin herbicide Roundup. We can help this cause by taking action and signing the petition through change.org. Genetically modified foods have a very bad side to them. They are not natural to the ecosystem or the human diet. They are very harmful to many things, and it's very devastating. GMOs on humans are unknown, but there are many suspicions and evidence that proves what it can do for us. The effects that GMOs have on our insects, animals, and plants are very sad and scary. To this day, because of GMOs, many insect species and animals are dying and getting weaker from the pesticides and GMOs in our food. Not only are our insects and animals affected, but we humans are also getting sicker. Are you going to be one to help our cause? Again, my name is Jade Peterson, and today I spoke about why GMOs are bad. In more detail, I discussed the side effects of GMOs, why we should avoid GMOs, and how consumers can drive the market.